Want to learn how I turned all of this Elgato gear into a travel streaming kit that fits inside of your carry-on luggage? Stick around. Introducing the Elgato Go Bag, where we take your Stream Deck, the Wave shock mount, the Wave 3 mic without the base, an HD60S, a face cam, cold shoe mounts, all into this bag that will easily fit in your carry-on luggage. Let's go ahead and crack this open, and I'll show you some of the other stuff I already have in here that we're gonna need. So we have the USB-C cables there. You can put them wherever. I have a miniature tripod, handheld tripod here, and I'll show you how that's gonna work here in a second. I'll put that over here to the side. I have a little splitter mount for the hot shoe. Links to all this stuff will be in the description below. I have a little USB-C docking station there. That's gonna allow us to plug more USB devices into our laptop. This is the extension pole that comes with this little handheld tripod. And then back over here, just some storage compartment space. For this example, what we're gonna do is we'll take the little tripod riser here. We'll screw that on. And you can see this unscrews and actually goes higher if need be. So that's the most length you can get out of this little handheld guy. We're gonna keep it at just the bottom rung there. Then what we're gonna do is connect our ball head. And this is also, I can show you what it would look like at your destination and where you're gonna stream from. And the cool part is we'll take this little cold shoe kind of Y splitter here. We'll put that on top here. And you only need to do this if you want to mount both the face cam and the mic to one item. So there you go. That's how I got it set up. Things are really sturdy. And this is only if you want to mount the face cam to this little tripod. You know, the face cam does come with a base. You can just hang it over your monitor. I took it off for this example. But you can see how nice and easily these fit on there. And then what we'll do is we can take the face cam, put it on the left side. So you can see now we have our face cam is mounted. Now I have the Wave 3 mic and the face cam all mounted to this tripod. It's a little hard to see with the camera, but this does stand up and it does support itself, so you can see nothing's falling over. Then the bonus of having this ball head mount here is we can unscrew it, and then we can move this around to whatever direction or angle we want to point it at. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a lot of weight on this thing. It does handle it. It's not an issue. This little guy here, it's plastic, so it does bend and articulate. So the heaviness of the mic can be a little much for it, but you can get around it. It's no big deal, and you don't have to use it. Like I said, you could put your face cam on hook it to your laptop, just drape it over that, and then what you can do is just hook the Wave 3 up to the ball head on its own, and you just got yourself a little baby mic stand. Now let's get it all organized and see what the Elgato Go Bag looks like. Now here we are, all of the products. Here's the bag I'm gonna recommend for this. It has actually 2 compartments. It's got some padding on it. You can see I've already put some cables in it, so I got some USB-A Type-C cables in there. That's to hook up the Wave 3 microphone, the face cam, and the HD60S. I've got a USB-C docking station there. I'll also put that in the description below. And then here, this side is where we're gonna put the meat of everything. For this compartment, we've got that USB-C docking station I talked about. We have our cold shoe splitter, the handheld part of our tripod, the extension rod of the tripod, our cables as we mentioned earlier. We have our ball head that goes on the tripod, and then our 2 Elgato cold shoe mounts. You can see I still have plenty of room for additional cables, USB drive, flash drives. We have another slot here to put whatever, so there's a lot more room we can still work with on this part of the bag. On the inner portion of the bag, you have this mesh pocket. That's where I put the Wave 3 shock mount. These pockets are all adjustable. I put the HD60S capture card right there. We have the face cam right here at the bottom, and make sure you attach the base for it again, that way in case you actually want to put it on your monitor or your laptop screen when you get to wherever you're streaming. The Wave 3 mic goes on the right side, and then our Stream Deck goes right there in the middle. The awesome thing of this bag is the dividers are detachable, and you can put them whatever way you want with Velcro. So I was able to kind of push these to the side a little more to give a little more added protection to the capture card and the mic. but it really doesn't matter how you want to do it. We can turn the Stream Deck that way, and we still have room to put other devices right here. Maybe you want to do another face cam. There's a lot of options there. And now the bag is all closed up. So you can see the size of the bag here. That's how wide it is. There's the top, the side. It's not that big. I mean, it's like maybe the size of a toiletry bag. So it'll fit in your carry-on really well. Would I put this in my checked luggage? No, there's not that much padding in it, but it does have some padding. It should be totally fine to put in your carry-on luggage. It'll fit right in there. Since you're the one controlling what happens to your carry-on luggage, I mean, obviously it's up to you of how tough you are on this. So this is a great little kit. What I will say is make sure you put the face cam's lens cover on before you store it. This is a really cool kit, and I'm excited to take this on the road. I go like Cincinnati for work, or we go to some conventions when I have a hotel space that has good enough Wi-Fi. I can see this being super helpful for any content creators that are going to PAX or TwitchCon that want to stream from their hotel room, as long as they have the right internet, and you want to up your game over just the generic stuff that's already installed on your laptop. So there you have it. All the links to this stuff will be in the description below, so you can check it out. A lot of this stuff was given to me by Elgato, so thank you. Not everything was. I did purchase a few of these things on my own to make this happen. I really wanted to see what this could look like for content creators on the go. Now, before we take off, let me know down in the comments what your favorite Elgato product is in this go bag. Until next time, GG.